friends. It is getting to be summer and the weather is getting warmer and we're going to get to go outside and play some more. And one of my favorite things about the summertime, which we've been learning about, is that we get to watch fireworks. And so because it's illegal in Virginia to have our own fireworks, the kind that you use matches with, we're going to make our own fireworks today. So what we're going to do is we're going to use water, food coloring, and just regular oil. Now what we need to do is I put some warm water in this jar, 3/4 of the jar full. So if 3/4 are full, how much of this jar is left? Do you remember our fraction unit? 3/4, how many would be left? Would only be 1/4 would be left. That's right. Okay, so we set this to the side. Now I'm going to take some vegetable oil. And what we want to know is when I pour this mixture into this jar, we're going to see something happen. And I'm going to tell you the science behind it. So what we need to do is we want to pour a little bit of oil in each of these little cups, these little dishes. Just like that. I never measure. I'm Italian. Italians don't measure. We just cook. So that's what we're doing today. We're just going to put some oil in a little container. We're going to put some blue food coloring in. Squeezing it. And look, can you see how it's not even like mixing in? It just looks like little drops. Then I'm going to do some green. That's kind of cool. And then we're going to do some red.
That's cool.
That's kind of cool too. All right, then I have a spoon. And I'm just going to mix. Because what I want to do is I want to break the food coloring down into smaller droplets. See, it's not really going into, it's not turning this liquid, it's not turning the oil blue. It's just having, what I did is I broke down the droplets of the food coloring because the oil is less dense, meaning it doesn't weigh as much as these droplets of color do. Okay, then I'm going to mix this one. And notice again, it's not turning green, it's just making the little droplets of color small. See, you can still see a bunch of little small dots. And then this one,
the pretty one,
is going to be red. Now, okay, now Ryan, grab one of these. Ryan's going to pour one in. And I'm going to pour these in, so go ahead. And what this is supposed to do is it's going to make a firework effect. So are they seeing that, Willow? So see how the color is just coming down to the bottom. And I chose to do different colors just so it made it look prettier. But they're shooting down. Whoa, it's like a cloud of... I don't know, it's crazy. But it's shooting down. Well, it's supposed to be shooting down. It's not supposed to be falling down like that. But maybe we used too much. I don't know. But it's supposed to just go down like a smoking cloud like there. And what happens is the water and the oil aren't mixing. Oh dear, where's those paper towels? The water and the oil are not mixing. It's just making, if you can get inside, can you show them at the top? There's oil, and I don't know if they can see that from here, but the oil is at the top. Because the oil is more dense, meaning it is heavier than the color droplets.
You can see like the little molecules, right? Like the...
Oh yeah, see, that's a good view. You can't really see that with your naked eye, but with the camera you can see that. So look at those little molecules. So it's making a little firework effect. And that's because water and oil do not mix. So there you go.